So I figured I'll start the weekend vlog before it gets way too late. Just got back from Walmart. I've been slowly adding to my summer clothes stuff, but Walmart had some clearance. Like they had leggings for $1, shirts, tops for $3. This little legging, $1. What? So I got that, and then they had this one for $2. I got that one, and I thought I got more, but I didn't, because some of the colors I didn't like. And then they had this little jean shorts for like $10. That's a size 10. Hopefully it fits, because I'm in between sizes. I'm like 10, 12. Anything between that will fit me. And then this is a size 12, but it's stretch. And this one is like really cute, you know, just when I'm going out with the kids and I want all my stuff to be, you know, in clothing. And then I got this orange shirt, this bright orange shirt. It's really cute. I'm gonna have to try them on for you guys so you can see. And then I got this top. It's like a wrap, a little wrap situation. I saw someone did a try on for these, and these were $3. And I was gonna buy them online too for like $10. Good thing I didn't. And then I got a whole bunch of t-shirts with a whole bunch of saying on it. So I'm gonna try them on and then I'm gonna show you guys, okay? This is what this one looks like. It's a little big, but I would have preferred a large or a medium. Just looks like that. That's cute. Okay, another shirt that I could have gone with a smaller size. This is a large, and it's really big. Like, it's a lot of material. I could have gone with like a medium in this one. I'm so afraid to buy smaller clothes now that I'm smaller. So I like the color though, and I like the little pocket situation right here, but I need a smaller size. I like this one. It says, "I'm having a good day. Don't ruin it," okay? This is by far my favorite. It says, "Breaking news. See back. I don't care." Breaking news, I don't care, okay? Another one. I'd rather be in bed, which is like the truth. So, I love it. This is by far my favorite. It's the last one. It says, "I'm not lazy. I'm just good at doing nothing." Love it. Love it, love it, love it. These are cute. Cute. I love the situation in the back. I could have gotten away with a size 10, because if you can see, I could have gotten away with a 10. These are a 12. And I still have a lot of looseness in the legs. So I could have got away with a 10 in these. But it's cute nonetheless. It's comfortable. And these were only $10, I believe. Cute. Oh my gosh, guys. I thought when I picked these up, I was like, there's no way they're gonna fit. Oh my gosh. I keep telling myself I'm a bigger size than I am, and it's so good to be able to fit into something. These are comfortable. They're not too short. These are good for like the beach, just lounging around the house. They are nice and comfortable. I can't believe I fit in a 10. And I was like, there's no way I'm gonna fit in a 10. Oh my gosh, I don't want to get into no smaller size than a 10. Anything smaller, I'm just gonna look weird. So, oh my gosh, so I definitely can take those back and get a size 10 in those. Oh my gosh. Oh, happy day, happy day. Okay guys, these leggings, oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel them. Holy Batman. This is what you call lounge wear. Like, so comfortable, so soft. Like, I could just sit here and rub my body all day. Oh my gosh, Rob is gonna love this. He loves when my clothes is nice and soft and he can rub, you know, anything on my body. And it feels good to him. But oh my gosh, look at that. They're nice and soft. Nice and soft. And these are a large. Yeah, these are a large. I could have got one with a medium. But of course, you know, I got my size. These feels good. And for $2, oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna keep these on for the rest of the day. For $1, for a flipping $1, I'm going back and getting 5 more. You cannot have too many pairs of black leggings that are comfortable and fit. Oh my lantern, I'm going back and I'm getting about 6 more. For $1? Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Comfortable. Comfortable. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Comfortable. Wow, I'm going to go back and get me some more later on before they sell out, because that's cheap. This is by far my favorite. It's soft. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. I cannot get over how soft this thing is. It's soft.
I know.
Ugh. But anyways, I'm gonna go hang out with Rob. He's grilling me filet mignon on the grill, because you know we got food stamps now, so why not? Why not, baby? Baby, why not? What are you eating? You're always eating, pretty girl. Who bought that for you?
Mine.
Who bought it?
Mine.
So dry-eyed. So,
You gonna give me a kiss or what?
I'm gonna give you a kiss. Hold on. I ordered these for the twins' room, and I'm gonna lay them flat on their side and put them next to their beds. And then I got a bunch of the same boxes I got Jaxson. I got them these, so I got 2 for each boy. And then I went back to Walmart and got this for Jackson's room. And then where's the Target pickup for?
Jason, did you leave it in the car? What? The Target pickup.
So I didn't even do a haul of all the stuff that I just got from Walmart.
Yes.
I'm not even gonna do a haul. It's too much stuff right now. But let's go back over here. Hey, pretty girl. This is the Jaxson and Destiny's bed in the twins' room. And say hi, Rob.
Oh, now you wanna give me a kiss?
Oh,
Found it, Jason. You left Maddie's drink in there.
say hi.
Hello. I don't have nothing nice to say. Leave me alone.
So, took the kids to McDonald's, and the person in front of us paid for their meals. They had 3 Happy Meals, so the person in front of us paid for their, ooh, there's a fly.
That was nice of them.
That was very nice of them.
It's wrong 'cause you're black.
I knew it. That's what I thought in my head, too.
Why? Because it's June 19th?
Because it's June, yeah, whatever they have. No, because it's June teen something.
Oh, that's what Sister Waters said. I was on the phone with her.
Yeah, some shit like
And
that.
she said it's June
They're trying to
19th.
put together some shit like that.
So,
And they probably were black, and they're probably like, I want to pay for their meal.
That's what I thought in the car in my head, and I was going to say.
I'm not even exaggerating. I'm pretty sure that's what it was.
they paid for the black person meal?
Yeah, now they
Well, I don't care what reason they did it for. They didn't have to, so thank you so much to the person who did it. I don't know what the agenda was, but thank you.
She paid for the car. And
Oh, behind us.
How much was their shit?
we don't know.
Huh?
We don't know.
It
Well, how
was
do you
one
know?
person in a car. It was one person in a
They
car.
probably just got coffee.
How do you know? How do you pay for it?
I know how much it is. I checked the
All they did, 1 second, I paid for them.
See, let You got it?
Finally, peanut butter now.
Yeah, make sure you let the jar out.
I thought there was nothing in there.
Yeah,
That one is yours. It's like the twins.
Big.
Oh, I forgot to get spray paint. So I'm gonna spray paint these white. These were in the twins when they were babies' room. So I'm gonna spray paint these white and put them on this side. I got another curtains for his room. I got him 2 more pillows
I'm so playing with my bed.
from Walmart just now. Whew, I'm so tired. And then this is the one that I got him for his room, which is
A bed.
the Jaxson, black and white. Are you excited? Oh,
Yeah.
you excited to have your own beddies?
Yeah.
Open it.
What's that?
Jackson's beddies.
Cool. And it's is there any fluffy version? Like the soft ones?
Oh, that is so pretty.
Cool.
So pretty. I bought black because I don't like when stuff get dirty, and with black you can't really see.
With
Even
white?
the minky part is black. This is so cool. Yeah, so. Oh my gosh! I found these pants at Walmart. I found these jumpers at Walmart for $5 a pop, and then the shirts were $6. So $20, and got them a pair of outfit matching. I can't what you do. Rob was like, they look like they going farming. Okay, so Jackson's bed is on. It's so cute. So cute. So, long story short, these blinds, when we first moved in, our neighbor, show you guys Destiny's. So this is Destiny's. Of course I gotta come in here and set up her room. Don't mind that marking. Yeah, don't mind it. I have to paint, but she switched over her stuff. But this is hers, and then I got her this pillow from Hobby Lobby. That says "My Girl." It's not the perfect match, but hey. So that's that. So next up on the list is Miss Madison, and she won't be getting a beddie for a very long time because she doesn't sleep in her room. But look who's cool. Huh? Okay, so I got the kids all set up. Madison down here going in the refrigerator. So I got this stainless steel cleaner at Walmart. I was gonna get the wipes because my twin sister says the wipe is like really good. Just now talking to her, but the reason why I didn't get the wipes is because I heard really bad reviews on the wipes, and I heard really good reviews on this, and it smells so good, and it cleans the refrigerator really well. It gives it like a really nice shine to it, and it doesn't leave any streaks and stuff, and I don't have to fight to get it clean, because with this little one always constantly in and out of this thing, it's like it gets dirty really fast. That's not ready, put it back. Okay, so I got a bunch of these Walmart candles. You get 3 for less than $10. And I got the Island Party Sea Salt Orchid. And I got the Cozy Gathering everything, all of these smell really well. They smell really good, but I've never tried them. I've always had Bath and Body Works candle, and I'm out. This is like my last one, and I've had these for years. Rob told me I couldn't get any more until I burned up everything, so I'm done burning those, but I want to try out something cheaper and more affordable. So I'm going to try out the Walmart. If it doesn't work, at least I didn't spend a ton of money on candles. So I'm going to burn these and see how I like them and see if it gives off a really good throw. If it doesn't, oh well, I didn't waste any. I mean, I'm still going to burn them, but I'm going to try them out to see how I like them. So it's like 10 o'clock at night. Madison is still on the 10, and I just finished cleaning the entire downstairs. Turning over to Mr. Rob for the weekend. Rob, the house is clean. Please do not mess it up. Not that he really cares. So it's nice and clean. The entire house, including the kitchen, nice and clean. The Walmart candles, not the greatest. They have no throws, like zero throws whatsoever, none. Like, it's just basically just burning. Even though I can't really tell because my house smells amazing. So I'm gonna go relax right now because my house is like spotless. Oh my gosh. It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute since the house been this clean.
Daddy, I want a laptop.
Not complaining.
Email the Netflix people. Tell them.
I want a laptop. Can you give me a laptop?
Work for it. So Jordan, buy it for it.
George, can you buy
I'm
me a laptop?
burning the last little bit of my salted caramel to
No, you should give me a laptop.
throw it out
for
and
Christmas.
hide because it's my
They're
last little
only
bit of
$200.
Bath and Body Works candles. This thing,
No, they're probably $300.
waste.
They're $200. They're around $200 or $300.
See how spotless my house is? Except for the cups the kids are drinking out of.
You can give me a phone for Christmas.
That's probably not very good laptop.
But you can give me a phone for my birthday or Christmas.
Hi, boo. I even steamed the floors so they're nice and clean. I have to show you guys the steam mop that I use.
Sitting on the floor.
Maddie, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Is it wet?
I want an iPhone. An iPhone. Or an iPhone.
Don't spit on the floor,
You
baby.
spit. You literally spit on the floor. Don't do that again. You understand me?
No, I want an iPhone. It's so
So
small.
this rug I have to take outside and wash because I'm afraid to
I don't like Samsung.
wash it with my rug.
Well, that's not even.
My carpet
I
cleaner.
like Samsung.
I'm afraid to wash it on top of my floor because I'm scared that it's gonna damage my floors. So I have to wash this outside, but that's another day.
Dad, I don't like Samsung. I want an Apple phone.
What are they talking about now?
I want a type of. I want mommy's phone.
My phone?
I want father's. But then
I want
I
mommy's type.
switch phones.
What does your shirt say, Jason?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh, the savage, I think.
Yes.
The savage life.
The savage life chose me.
Wow.
It's
You
my,
look like the.
it's my
person in the
favorite
picture.
shirt out of all the shirts I have.
Oh, okay.
See? I got his favorite shirt.
Okay.
Yes, it is. It's the
Hi,
it's a
Jordan.
cool shirt.
I'm waiting for my fries.
Me too.
I told Daddy to.
Oh, Daddy's making the princess.
Me too.
Making her fries.
Jason's mine.
Spoiled. 10 o'clock at night.
I ate a salad at 3 o'clock and probably.
Me
Something's
too.
wrong with you.
That's it.
Popcorn.
Just realized I didn't end the vlog from there today, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.